Make a great choice today with the 2017 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, engine block heater, front wheel independent suspension, chrome mirror caps, speed control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.